Ma'am, I need you to leave your bag with me. Store policy prohibits entering with bags.
Excuse me?
Your bag. You can't bring it inside. You need to leave it with me here at the security desk.
The sign says bag checks, not that bags are prohibited. I'm happy to let you inspect it though.
That's not how it works, ma'am. You need to leave it at the security desk here, or you can return it to your car.
I parked blocks away and I only have about 20 minutes to shop. Can't you just check it now?
I'm sorry, it's the store policy. Everyone has to follow it.
Did you enforce this with everyone?
Yes, everyone.
Did you stop anyone else today?
It's standard protocol, okay, and it's applied equally.
Is it really?
I don't know what you're insinuating, ma'am.
I think you know exactly what I'm saying.
Look, lady, these are the rules, okay? You can follow them or you can leave.
Fine. But I want assurance that my bag will be safe. This is very expensive.
It'll be fine.
Is there a problem?
Just doing my job, ma'am.
Your job is to follow me around the store. I'm the only customer you're watching. I can see other people shopping and you're not following them.
Store security applies to everyone.
Then why are you only watching me?
Look, if you have a complaint, you can speak to the manager, okay?
Yeah, I'd like to speak to the manager, please. Manager! I need to speak with the manager.
What seems to be the issue?
I've been followed around since the moment I entered the store. I was forced to surrender my bag at the entrance, and now your security guard is shadowing my every move. I'm clearly being racially profiled.
What happened?
Standard security protocols, ma'am. Nothing more.
I see. Are you planning to make a purchase today?
Are you serious right now? I just told you, I'm being profiled and you're asking if I'm buying something.
I'm trying to understand the situation.
The situation is that I'm being harassed in your store. I just want to leave.
Wait, we need to ensure no merchandise is leaving the store.
Are you seriously accusing me of theft?
We have protocols for suspicious behavior.
She was acting nervous while browsing, looking around a lot.
I was looking around because you were following me. You can search the cameras. You can search me if you want. I've been in your site the entire time and I haven't taken anything.
We still need to verify nothing was taken before you leave.
This is illegal detention. You actually have no right to do
Don't let her leave. I'm calling the police.
This is insane. You have no grounds to hold me here.
Yes, I need police at Monarch Boutique on 5th Street. We have a customer refusing security protocols and attempting to leave without verification. They're on their way.
This is really ridiculous.
Officer, thank you for coming. We had a suspicious customer refusing security protocols. She became hostile and tried to flee when we questioned her about potential theft.
She was acting very defensive, raised all kinds of red flags.
Okay. I'm gonna need to see some ID.
It's in my bag at the security desk where I was forced to leave it.
Is this the bag?
Yep.
You don't have permission to search my bag.
You got a license in here?
Yes, it's in the wallet, the leather wallet.
Olivia Leland. This you?
Obviously.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to empty your pockets.
No, I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, well, look, lady, we can do it here or we can do it at the station. Your choice. I'm not playing around. Turn around slowly, arms extended.
This is humiliating.
Just do it.
Well, there's no visible stolen merchandise, but her behavior was still very suspicious.
Very defensive from the moment she arrived, officer.
I want to leave. Right now.
Okay. Given the store's concerns and your attitude, I think that we should continue this conversation down at the station.
My attitude? You have no probable cause for arrest. I've done nothing illegal.
You were detained by store management for suspicious activity. I mean, that's enough for me, so put your hands behind your back.
This is unlawful arrest. You have no evidence of any crime.
Ma'am, turn around now. I will not ask again. Ma'am, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can be used against you in a court of law. Let's go.
Yeah, I know my rights.
Is that your phone?
I need to answer that. It's my work phone. I missed an important meeting.
You can make calls from the station, okay?
Maybe you should let her answer it, just to stop the noise.
Yeah, I mean, what's the harm, right?
This is Officer Brennan with the police department.
I'm sorry, who is this? I'm calling for Olivia Leland.
She's currently detained. Who is this?
This is Patricia Morrison from the mayor's office. We've been trying to reach Miss Leland for over an hour. She missed her noon appointment with the mayor and we became concerned, given, her position.
Oh, wait. What position?
Well, Miss Leland is a district attorney. She's been working with our office on criminal justice reform initiatives. What's going on? Why is she detained? Hello? Is anyone there?
Yeah, Patricia, it's Olivia. I came to this clothing store to shop during my lunch break and I was forced to surrender my bag at the entrance. And that I was followed around the store by security and then falsely accused of theft despite being no evidence found. And then when I wanted to leave, they tried to detain me. And now I'm standing here in handcuffs, arrested by Officer Brennan, despite zero evidence of any wrongdoing.
Okay, don't worry. I'm dispatching patrol units immediately. Don't move. I'm transferring you to Sheriff Henry right now. Hello, this is Sheriff Henry. Who's in command of that location?
Sheriff, this is Officer Eric Brennan, sir.
Brendan, did you handcuff a district attorney?
Yes, sir, but the store called about suspicious activity and...
Was any crime committed? Was any evidence of theft found?
No, sir.
Remove the handcuffs immediately. Do not let anyone leave that store. Patrol units are 2 minutes away.
Yes, sir. Here you go.
What happened here today was not policy. It wasn't protocol. It was racism, pure and simple. I was profiled the moment I walked through that door. I was harassed. I was falsely accused. I was criminalized for the color of my skin while trying to shop. I work every day to reform a broken system that allows this exact abuse of power. I fight for people who experience this without recourse, and today I experienced it myself. You don't deserve that badge. You don't deserve your positions. You will all face consequences.
Wait, miss, ma'am.
I was doing my job, I thought. Hey, thanks for understanding. Well, I appreciate it.
No problem.
Hey, Brian, where are you taking him?
Rowan was brought in for questioning about the convenience store robbery, but we reviewed the evidence. He's innocent and free to go.
Already? How long was he here?
About 3 hours, long enough to verify his alibi and review all available evidence.
Are you sure about that? Did you thoroughly check everything?
Of course we did. I always follow proper procedure.
But did you really dig deep? Sometimes these cases require more intensive investigation.
I have the security footage right here. Take a look.
Let me see that again.
As you can see, the quality is poor, but our witness statements don't match Rowan's description either, so.
I can see some similarities here. The height looks about right, and the build.
Officer, I've already been cleared. The investigation found no evidence connecting me to any crime.
That's right. Rowan's alibi checked out completely.
I was at work during the entire window of the robbery.
I'll decide when you can leave. Keep quiet while we talk.
Excuse me? I have rights here.
Sophie, Rowan has been cooperative throughout the entire process.
Cooperation does not prove innocence. I've seen plenty of guilty people act cooperative. I'm gonna ask him a few more questions. This is all an active investigation.
Sophie, we've already been through this. The case is closed.
Cases can be reopened if new concerns arise.
What new concerns? We have no additional evidence.
I have authority as an investigative officer. I want to double check a few things.
I've already answered all of these questions multiple times.
Then answering them again shouldn't be a problem.
Fine, but make it quick. We don't have grounds to hold him.
I'll be the judge of how long it takes. Come with me, I have a few questions.
This is harassment. This is not an investigation.
Let me worry about what it is. Come on, let's go. Walk up front, 5 feet in front. Let's go, come on. Go left. All right, let's go through your whereabouts again during the time of the robbery.
I already provided the information to Officer Bryan. I was at work, then I went home.
Humor me, I want to hear it again.
Why? Nothing's changed since I gave my statement.
Details sometimes change when people repeat their stories.
I was at work at my accounting firm downtown. I left at 6, stopped for groceries, then went home to my apartment.
What grocery store?
Safeway on 5th Street.
Did you keep the receipt?
Yes, I showed it to Officer Bryan, and it's time-stamped.
Receipts can be manipulated. This footage shows someone about your height and build. How do you explain that?
That footage is too blurry to identify anyone specifically. You can't make a positive identification from that.
I can see enough similarities to have reasonable suspicion.
Reasonable suspicion requires more than physical similarities.
Been doing this job for about 5 years. I know what reasonable suspicion looks like.
Officer, your questioning seems to be based on my appearance rather than any actual evidence.
I treat all suspects equally. This has nothing to do with race.
Then why are you ignoring my verified alibi and physical evidence?
I'm not ignoring anything. I'm being thorough. Don't try to make this about something that it's not. I'm doing my job.
Look, your job is to follow the evidence, not make assumptions based on racial profiling.
I don't profile anyone. I investigate crimes.
Investigating requires evidence. What evidence do you have against me?
People like you are always trying to play the race card when you get caught.
People like me? What exactly do you mean by that?
People who think they're above the law.
I never said I was above the law. I said I'm innocent. Officer, your behavior violates both my civil rights and my professional standards.
Save the lecture. I know how to do my job.
Do you? Because this doesn't feel like professional police work.
You don't get to tell me how to do my job. Wait here and you discuss with my colleague.
How much longer are you planning on keeping me here without charges?
As long as it takes to get the truth. Brian, I think we should hold him longer. Something doesn't feel right about this guy.
Sophie, we have no legal grounds to hold him, okay? Continued detention would violate his civil rights.
But what if our investigation missed something?
We conducted a thorough investigation. His alibi is solid.
You know how people like him can be. They're smooth talkers, but that doesn't mean they're innocent.
People like him? Sophie, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about criminals. They're often very convincing.
Rowan isn't a criminal. He's an innocent man who got caught up in our investigation.
I'm saying we should trust our instincts here. That footage shows someone who could be him.
Could be isn't good enough for an arrest or a continued detention.
Since when do we need absolute certainty to investigate?
The footage is too blurry for positive ID. Our investigation found no credible evidence.
But what if we're wrong? What if he's dangerous?
What if we're wrong about an innocent person? We can't detain people based on hypotheticals.
I just think we're being too hasty.
We follow evidence, not hunches, okay? That's how police work is supposed to function.
Sometimes police work requires intuition.
Intuition backed by evidence, not intuition instead of evidence. We need to release him now, Sophie. This has gone on for too long.
The man is getting phone calls. That could be suspicious.
People get phone calls, okay? It's normal.
Just give me 5 more minutes with him.
5 minutes, then he walks.
Yes, I'm still at the station. No, I haven't been charged with anything. Yeah, I should be released soon. At least I hope so.
Who was that on the phone? Someone giving you your story?
That was my sister checking in on me. Is that a crime now?
Depends on what you're discussing.
We were discussing the fact that I've been held here for hours without charges.
I know you're hiding something. Innocent people don't act like you're acting.
And how exactly am I acting?
Being too calm, too prepared with your answers.
Should I be panicking? Would that prove my innocence? You know, officer, your behavior is clearly motivated by racial prejudice. This is not a legitimate investigation.
That's a serious accusation.
It's a serious situation. You're violating my civil rights.
I'm conducting a criminal investigation.
You're conducting a harassment disguised as an investigation.
I just received new footage from a different camera with much better resolution.
What kind of footage?
Right there. The store across the street had a security camera pointing towards the robbery scene, and as you can see, this person bears no resemblance to Rowan whatsoever.
The suspect is clearly shorter and heavier and has a completely different facial features on him.
Well, this changes things.
This completely vindicates me and exposes your baseless nature of this harassment.
The footage shows the actual perpetrator committing the crime while Rowan was at work.
I couldn't have known better about the footage. I was just doing due diligence.
Due diligence? You treated me like a criminal based solely on my race.
That is not true. I was following standard investigative procedures.
Standard procedure does not include ignoring evidence and harassing innocent people. The quality of this footage doesn't excuse discriminatory treatment and racial profiling. You ignored my alibi, dismissed physical evidence, and continued to question me even after I was cleared.
He's right. Your behavior was inappropriate, regardless of the evidence available.
I was being cautious. That's good police work.
No, Sophie. Good police work follows evidence, not prejudice.
This is ridiculous. I was just doing my job.
That wasn't doing your job. This was abuse of power. And actually, Sophie, I've been discussing the situation with the chief. Your conduct today violated department policy and civil rights law.
What are you talking about?
I documented everything that happened here today.
You were documenting our investigation?
I was documenting your misconduct. You're being terminated immediately for racist conduct and violation of proper procedure.
What? You can't be serious.
The chief has reviewed the situation and agreed your behavior was unacceptable.
This is insane. I have done nothing wrong. This is all politics, and political correctness has gone crazy.
This isn't politics. This is accountability.
I won't stand for this. I will fight this decision.
You're right, but the evidence against you is clear.
Evidence? What evidence?
Your treatment of him, you ignored evidence, and your inappropriate comments.
This isn't over.
Yes, it is. Rowan, I sincerely apologize for the treatment you received today. I should have intervened sooner. Your experience here was completely unacceptable.
I appreciate your apology, Brian. The responsibility lies with Sophie, not you.
I still should have stopped it earlier.
You did the right thing when it matters most. All I hear about is if Sophie learns from this experience.
Well, whether she does or not, she won't have the opportunity to harm anyone else in uniform.
And that's what matters most.
Man, what a day. These better be my new headphones.
Hi. What are you doing?
Hey, I'm just picking up my package. Been waiting for this one.
Your package, huh? That's really funny because, I find it really hard to believe that that is yours.
And why is that? It's got my name on it, and I live here, apartment 3B.
Right. Well, it's just that I've never seen you around. And, with all the package thieves lately, it's a bit suspicious, don't you think?
Suspicious? Because I'm picking up my package from the mailroom?
I'm just saying it's a bit odd. I've been here for years, and I know pretty much everyone, and thieves have been on the rise, so you could literally be anybody.
Okay, I get that. But I assure you, it's just me. I'm just me, regular me, getting my stuff. There's nothing odd about that.
Okay, yeah, but how do I know that you're not lying? You could be a thief. You could be the one that everyone's talking about. I mean, you fit the profile, so.
The profile? And what exactly would that profile be?
Well, like people have been stealing packages around here and they look a lot like you, so.
They look like me, so my race here is the issue?
Oh, I didn't say that. I'm just saying you can't be too careful these days. You understand, right?
No, I don't understand. This is profiling, plain and simple. I live here. My name is Seth Richardson, and I don't appreciate being accused of theft of my own property.
Seth Richardson, huh? Well, Seth, I'm just trying to protect our community, and if you're so innocent, then why are you getting so defensive?
Because being baselessly accused isn't exactly a pleasant experience, and your idea of protection seems quite targeted. I don't even know your name.
Look, all I'm trying to say is that if you're not stealing, then you have nothing to worry about.
And I have nothing I need to prove to you. Again, what's your name?
It's Jessica, but that's none of your concern. What matters right now is that you need to drop that package and get out of here.
No. Okay, I'm taking my package and I'm going to my apartment. You have a good day, Jessica.
Hey, no, if you try to leave now, I'm calling the police.
Go ahead, call them. They'll find out that the package has my name on it. And besides, I have every right to be here just like you. I live here.
I'm just doing my part as a concerned citizen, and if you were in my shoes, you'd do the same thing. I mean, neighborhood watch and all that, so.
There's a difference between neighborhood watch and harassing your neighbors based on how they look. I'm going inside. You do what you feel you need to do.
Just remember, I warned you, and I'll be right behind you watching you.
That's your choice, but if you follow me, just know that's harassment.
Oh, so now you're an expert of the law, okay.
I know a thing or two about it.
Well, I don't appreciate this attitude that you're giving me. Just drop the package, leave, spare yourself the trouble.
Whatever, lady. It was nice to meet you.
Hey, don't you dare leave with that package. Hey, you can't leave. Don't leave. Excuse me.
This lady crazy, man. I'm not even about to do that. Hey! You can't just barge into someone's home.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I making you uncomfortable? Because
Yes.
that's how I feel every day knowing that people like you are around here.
People like me? What's that supposed to mean? And what gives you the right to enter my apartment?
Well, I told you I'm looking out for the neighborhood. And if I let you go without verifying that you're not a thief, then what kind of neighborhood watch would I be?
A pretty terrible one, considering you're accusing me of stealing with absolutely no proof. This is insane. You need to leave
Oh,
now.
I'm not going anywhere. Not until I've made sure you're not hiding anything stolen in here.
Look, Jessica, this is ridiculous. I'm not a thief. I'm a regular person. Just living my life. You're making a huge mistake.
Or maybe I'm the only brave one enough to confront what's really happening around here. I mean, maybe if more people were like me, then we wouldn't have these problems.
You think breaking into my home and accusing me of crimes without any evidence is brave? It's not bravery, that's paranoia, and it's wrong.
Well, your so-called innocence doesn't explain all the nice things you have in here. How can you afford all this? I mean, it doesn't look like the lifestyle of a regular person to me.
Because I work hard for what I have, and everything in here, I earned it. You have no right to question that.
Oh, no, I have every right when it comes to the safety of my community. You wouldn't understand, would you? living here like you own the place when in reality,
In
I
reality,
mean,
what? You know nothing about me, my life, or how I got here. Your assumptions are baseless and a slight bit offensive.
assumptions. Please, I'm just stating facts. I mean, look at this place. And look at you. It's clear as day.
You know what? I'm done arguing with you. This is going nowhere. You're trespassing, and I want you out of my apartment immediately.
Oh, not happening. You know what? I'm calling the cops. They'll sort this out. They'll see that I'm just doing my part.
She really gonna call me.
Yes, hello? Hi, I've caught a package thief. He's in this apartment right now with a bunch of stolen goods. You need to come arrest him immediately. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Well, that's that. They're on their way. You're done. Hope you enjoy prison, you thief.
You are unbelievable. You barged into my home, accused me of crimes that I did not commit. Then you call the police on me, and for what? Your ego? Your prejudice?
For justice. And when they get here, they'll see that I was right. They'll thank me for catching you.
And what if you're wrong? What then, Jessica? What if you made a huge mistake?
I'm not wrong. I can't be. I'm never wrong. Everything points to you being guilty.
No, everything points to you being incapable of seeing reason, being without reason, being unreasonable, delusional. This is going far enough. You need to leave before this gets any worse for you.
Oh, I'm not going anywhere. And once the police come and take you away, then everyone will see that I was right.
Evening, folks. Got a call about a disturbance here? What seems to be the problem?
Thank you for coming, officer. I'm sorry you had to be called out for absolute nonsense.
Officer, thank goodness you're here. I'm the one who called. This man has been stealing packages and I caught him red-handed.
Is that right? And you are?
I'm Seth Richardson. And for the record, I haven't stolen anything. This is just a huge misunderstanding.
Mr. Richardson? As in the federal prosecutor, Seth Richardson?
Yes. Yes, that's me.
Wait, a what now?
I know Mr. Richardson. He's worked with me on several cases. So, can someone please explain to me what's going on here?
But officer, he was with the package outside and there's been thieves in the area. I was just trying to protect our community and you know.
And she barged into my apartment, accused me of being a thief, and refused to leave my home, which is why she's still standing here in front of me, in my home. And I've tried to explain to her that she's mistaken, but she absolutely would not listen. Here we are.
Ma'am, do you have any proof at all that Mr. Richardson has stolen anything?
Well, no. But I mean, look at all the nice things he has. I mean, how could someone like him afford all of this without stealing?
That's not proof, ma'am. That's assumption and prejudice. And it's not acceptable.
Everything I own, I work hard for. Jessica here decided based on nothing but her own bias that I must be some sort of a criminal.
Mr. Richardson here is a respected member of the community. Accusations like this are serious and can have serious consequences.
But no, I was just trying to do the right thing. I mean, if I had known who he was, then...
So because of my job title, now suddenly I'm credible, right? What if I wasn't a federal prosecutor?
No.
Would my rights matter less?
No. It's not that. That's not. I just thought that...
What you thought was wrong, and it led to you breaking the law. You entered Mr. Richardson's home without permission. That's trespassing.
And beyond that, it's the assumption that because of the way I look, I must be up to no good. That's the problem here.
I didn't realize. I was scared for our neighborhood. I mean, I really didn't mean to make such a mess of things.
Your intentions don't excuse your actions. Okay, what you did was wrong. And it's more than just a simple mistake.
Given the circumstances, Mr. Richardson, would you like to press charges for trespassing and harassment?
Yeah, actually I would. I think that's very appropriate. This can't go unaddressed.
Please, no, you don't need to. I'm sorry. I don't know. If I would have known, then I would have never done any of this.
It shouldn't matter who I am, if you've known or not. Everyone deserves to be treated with respect and without baseless accusations. So yes, I like to press charges.
Ma'am, you're gonna have to come with me.
Oh, absolutely not. I'm not going anywhere with you.
Come on.
Absolutely not.
You're coming with me, come on.
No, I'm not.
Look, I don't have time for this. Come on.
No, this is my building. You can't.
Ma'am.
You can't take me. You
Come
have
on.
to take him.
Sorry about that.
Thank you, officer.